Conservation Corner on Market Journal is supported by the Nebraska Corn Board.
Well, back at home in the Nebraska area, Nebraska Extension is hosting some drone education. If you'd like to have a commercial drone on your farm or ranch, there is some training. It's known as Part 107 Commercial Drone Pilot's License. You need to apply for and pass a test to be able to get your drone license. And as I mentioned, back in Lincoln, our Market Journal producer Bill Dodd is standing by with those upcoming training details. Bill?
Drones have numerous practical uses in today's agricultural industry, from checking crops with infrared tech for nitrogen uptake to spraying pesticides and fungicides. The time and effort these machines can save producers has become abundantly clear over the last several years, and it seems like there are new uses emerging for this tech every season. However, if you'd like to utilize this kind of tech on your operation, you'll first need to be certified through the FAA as a Part 107 UAV pilot, and Nebraska Extension has an educational opportunity that can help you on your way to that achievement.
One of the things that's kind of interesting is I get a lot of questions from farmers that are like, well, I'm going to fly a drone on my farm, so why do I need a license? You know, I bought the drone myself, I'm flying it myself, and I'm flying it over my own crop. And the FAA actually considers drones aircraft, and they fall under aircraft rules. And the FAA considers farming commercial. And if you're flying a drone taking pictures of a crop, which will be sold, that's considered a commercial operation. So yes, so farmers, they need to have a license, whether they like it or not, to use a drone in their operations. So one of the requirements to get a drone license is to take an aeronautical knowledge exam. And so what this course does is prepare students to successfully pass that exam. And then, of course, once they pass the exam, then they can apply for their remote pilot license or drone license.
While you won't earn your certification outright through this class, it will make the path toward becoming a remote pilot much simpler in the long run. This one-day, 8-hour course will help prepare attendees to take the FAA Aeronautical Knowledge Exam and cover topics ranging from FAA regulations and airspace classifications to weather fundamentals and safe flight operations.
This test is kind of hard. There's a lot of aviation material on it, and so if you have no aviation background, it's going to seem pretty foreign. And so the idea of this course, it's an 8-hour course, and basically I prepare the students to pass that test and focus on the material that might be the toughest for them. There's a lot of regulations, and there's a lot of splitting hairs on some of those regulations. One of them is the question of recreational versus commercial. People want to fly under recreational because, you know, it seems like there's less rules with it. But the FAA basically considers commercial to be the default, that everybody is commercial, and then you have to show that you're flying recreational, and that's a very specific set of guidelines. And so I just tell everybody, you know, get your drone license and you're good to go regardless of what it is you're doing.
While there are several options available online to help you study and prepare for the Part 107 exam, most of those options have you studying on your own with very little personal guidance. Nebraska Extension is offering an in-person training course at multiple locations across the state. This will give participants the benefit of instructor-led training as well as proper study materials to help you pass this test.
So I think in-person is better just because you have the interaction and you can get experiences from the students because they all have some kind of experience with drones. And I think it's easier to ask those questions, and it's a lot easier for me to answer them. So I think it's good for both the students and for me as the instructor.
Everyone could use a tool like this in their toolbox, and the 107 Remote Pilot Exam Prep course provides a strong foothold on your first steps toward becoming a pilot. Reporting for Market Journal, I'm Bill Dodd.